This is the turbine lab. We got JT12-6 alphas. What they'll do for the hot section inspection is we'll start taking it down by sections, okay? And once they get these separated, we'll start taking them off, putting them in the cabinets. Once we get the case off, it exposes the combustion chambers. And you got 8 combustion cans, and they'll go through and they'll start taking those out, and they'll inspect those individually. The fuel manifold down here, they'll take off, and they'll put it all over there on the table, and they'll just take a day and start inspecting everything in accordance with all the maintenance manuals and FAA regulations. Looking for hot spots, especially in the combustion cans. There's these ventilation holes right here. They'll have cracks, and they'll have to weld those. We just do an in-depth inspection with the hot section, and they even do a simulated hot start on the inspection. If you got too low of fuel mixture, you can get a hot start. And basically a hot start is your turbine section is getting over-temped, and then it's coming down drastically, and then that just requires an in-depth inspection. The takeaway from this is to see the inside of the turbine, what the wear looks like, the coking that gets on the turbine blades from the soot. Big thing is safety, obviously. We're in aviation. We need mechanics out there that know how propulsion works, how thrust works, the ins and outs on the turbine section, compressor section. When they go out there into the real world, they'll actually have the knowledge it takes to do an inspection like this.